So this is Fairlight Wood Caravan Club site. Here's the entrance. And then you've got the main reception building and info shed just here. Got a few bits in there, gas and a few other essentials. And then over there, let's go and have a look. There's a field though, a section here where it's sort of in a circle. Caravans all parked. I'd call it quite a little intimate site. Say unlike Clumber Park where there's lots of space between the vans, here it's not as spacious, it's a bit more intimate, but oh, it's so lovely. The wind's just getting up now. So here's the toilet block and there's laundry facilities there. A place to do your washing, your pots and pans, that sort of thing, and usual Caravan Club high standards. The site is in the middle of Fairlight Wood, oddly enough, and over the road over there is Guesting Wood. This is Fairlight Wood, but the nearest village to the site is Pett. There is a place called Fairlight which is a bit further down the road, so you don't want to confuse that when you're trying to find your way here. Go into a place called Fairlight because you'll be in the wrong place. But this is Fairlight Wood. 40-odd pitches on the site, so it's not the biggest of sites, but I quite like that. And who wouldn't want to come here? It's just so beautiful. So at the bottom of the site here you've got this gateway out. Just look at this. Just look at this. It's just beautiful. So we were absolutely gobsmacked when we first got here and we saw all the bluebells were out in the wood. It was just so beautiful. We've had a bit of rain in the last couple of days, which we desperately needed. It was so dry, but it's brought the forest to life ever since. I mean, just look at this. This is just fabulous. Go up here. And then once you get to the edge of the wood here, you can see the pub over there. So that's the pub. That place there, don't know if you can see it, tables outside. I mean, that would be my brother sold on the site if he's that close to the pub. Walk there with a dog. And you've just got all this magical bluebell wood to play in. I mean, obviously the bluebells are only going to be here for another week or so in flower like this, but oh, it's just amazing. Absolute gem of a site. Absolute gem.